SAP MM master data. SAP R3 works on real-time data, that is there no long lag between data entry and data availability. Okay, so what is a master data? Master data is created centrally and it is valid for all applications. It remains constant over the time, but we need to update it on regular basis. For example, vendor is the type of master data that is used for creating purchase orders or contracts. Master data is statically divided into two parts, that is material master data and vendor master data. Material master data. This is the enterprise main source of material specific data. This data will include information on the materials that a company can procure, produce, or sell or store. It has four types of data, that is purchasing data, accounting data, materials planning data, and inventory data. These are the material master tables in which the data is stored. Coming to the point, that is material types. Material types are some common attributes are grouped together and they are assigned to a material type. This will differentiate materials and allow organizational to manage different material masters in systematic manner in accordance to the company's requirement. For example, raw material, finished products are some of the material types. Material type can be created by the following steps. Okay, IMG, logistic general, material master, basic settings, material type, define attribute of material type. By using this stick code OMS2, we can easily configure the material type. After this, the material group is there. Okay. Material group is a wider range of material type. Materials with some common attributes are taken together and they are assigned to material group. For example, suppose we have some materials which need packaging. So these material type can be electrical or food products, but we can group these materials types and put them in packaged material group. So it can be created by the following step. IMG, logistic general, material master, settings for key fields, define material groups. OMSF is the T code which is used to define the material group. After this, the number ranges will be there. Okay, so number range is created in a material master record. Every material is recognized by its own number, and this number will be unique and known as material number. We can assign number to material through two ways: external number assignment and internal number assignment. For the creation of number ranges, the path is IMG, logistic general, material master, basic settings, material types. Define number range for each material type. The T code for creating the material ranges, material number ranges, is MMNR. So after this, that is the material type, material group, and the number ranges. what we have created. The last point of material master is the creation of materials. Okay, so we can create the material by using the T code MM01. If you want to change the material, then by using MM02, we can easily make some changes in that material. For display, MM03 T code is used. For list of material master, we use MM60 T code. For closing period, we use MMPV. Allow back postings, we are using MMRV. Okay, these are some T codes which are used in material master. Okay. So the next point, that is vendor master. In a vendor master, it is a part of a one material master. Okay, so this is the enterprise main source of vendor specific data. This data will include information on vendors for which a company can procure or it can sell. Vendor master record will contain information like vendor's name, address. Okay, so it has the general data, purchasing data, and accounting data. In a general data is maintained at client level and it is valid for all organizational levels. In a purchasing data is maintained at purchasing organizational level. In a accounting data is maintained at company's level and it is valid for all plants belonging to that company. So this is a vendor master record. For defining a vendor, we have to first create the vendor account group. For creating vendor account group, we have a path IMG Logistic General Business Partner Vendors Control Define Account Group. By using OBD3, we can easily create the vendor account group. Why vendor account group is created? Vendors are categorized according to the requirements, and some of the vendors having similar characteristics are grouped together and placed in one category. For example, all local vendors can be placed in one category, and all global vendors can be placed in one category. After the vendor account group, we also want to generate the number ranges. The path for creating the number ranges is IMG Logistic General Business Partner Vendors Control Define Number Ranges for vendor master record. The T code, that is XTN1, is used for creating number ranges for vendor record. After the creation of number ranges, we have to assign those number ranges. So by using these number ranges, after defining, we have to assign to the vendor group. The number range can be assigned by the following steps. On the same screen, we have to select the number ranges tab and we have to assign the vendor group. Okay. After the creation of the number ranges, we have to create the vendor master. For creating of the vendor master, we use XK01 T code. For change, we use XK02. For display, we use XK03. And if we want to get the list of vendors, then we use MKVZ. This is all about the material master and vendor master data. Thank you.